Convert Shopify store to mobile app. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can convert your Shopify store to a mobile app in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to come over to Add Apps. Now, once we're in Add Apps, what you're going to want to do over here is you're going to go ahead and click on Shopify App Store. Now, once you click on Shopify App Store, it's going to load things in. So once we're over here, we're going to go ahead and search up Mobile App Builder. Now, once you find in Mobile App Builder, you're going to come over here. Now, you get quite a lot of builders. You get Envelopes Builder, you get Shopnees Builder. So there's different types of builders that you can choose from. But the builders that I would recommend for you would mainly be One Mobile, okay? Because One Mobile is totally free and it has the greatest plans out there. So use one of these for yourself, like One Mobile, and unleash your sales potential. So it's pretty incredible. You get all the basic things with a free plan as well. So please do make sure to check it out right now. And that is how you're going to create a mobile app through Shopify. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.